We've got a dreary wet day today. Good day to run a couple loads of D1, which I did before lunch, and now after lunch I'll got to go run out and get an excavator. I'm just walking around right now, making sure that tires are aired up and everything's in good order. Hooked up to the trailer on the homestead. You're not supposed to kick tires until if they're aired up, but they're aired up. Make sure my safety lock is locked, and then we'll be underway. Yep, we're locked. Trailer's all hooked up. Yep. Let's go. Okay, now that the customer's house is no longer on screen, I'll video the loading process here. Make sure my safety latch is pulled. Push that guy down. And then I want to get the rail of my track in line with the edge of that rail on the trailer. A little throttle's good. It's a cold machine. You don't want to go right to full throttle on a cold machine. And up the trailer we go. If I had a nickel for every time I put an excavator on this old trailer, I'd be able to buy a couple of you guys coffee. It's one of my uncle's favorite phrases, a little dozer putting on his trailer. Alright, I'm going to see if I can put you guys between my knees for a second. I need both hands. Kill that noise. Alright. Come on back around nice and easy. Oh, I guess I'm going to show his house if I'm not careful. Better cut. I'll just look down. You can see the wear spots where that thing has been, well, not 1,000 times in that chunk of wood, but right there. And that's it. Sheet loaded. It's raining. I'm going to shut it up this time. I usually don't. Okay. All bound down, flagged up. Put my oversized sign on the front and be on our way.